What's up, Millionaire Mindset family? All good? Let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think why some people seem to have such a different relationship with money? They don't necessarily work harder, but their money seems to work for them. The good news is, it's not magic. It's a mindset shift. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start thinking like an investor and transform your perspective on money. Stick with me until the end to discover tips that can change your financial game forever. The problem: the consumer mindset. Most of us were taught to think like consumers. We earn money to spend on goods and services. That new phone, the dream vacation, the car of the year. These things give us instant gratification, but they often trap us in a cycle of working to pay bills. It's the work, earn, spend mindset. There's nothing wrong with enjoying your money, but when that's your only perspective, you limit your potential for growth. The game changer, the investor mindset. The investor mindset is the opposite. Instead of seeing money as something to spend, an investor views money as a tool, a soldier sent to the battlefield to generate more money. So remember these 3 pillars. First, money works for you. Instead of just trading your time for money, an investor makes their money work, generating passive income, interest, or dividends. Second, focus on assets, not liabilities. An investor seeks to buy assets, things that put money in your pocket, and avoids liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. A car used for work can be an asset. A luxury car for show, which depreciates and racks up expenses, is a liability. Third, long-term vision. An investor understands that wealth isn't built overnight. It's a process of planting seeds and being patient, focused on the future, not just instant gratification. Practical tips to shift your perspective. Tip 1. Pay yourself first. Before paying any bills, set aside a percentage of your income for yourself. Save that money and don't touch it. That's your fuel for investments. Tip 2. Treat your salary like a business. Imagine your salary is a company's revenue. A smart company doesn't spend all its revenue. It reinvests part of it to grow. Do the same. Allocate a portion for living and another for reinvesting in assets. Tip 3. Turn expenses into investments. Ask yourself, will this purchase help me make more money in the future? A course, for example, isn't an expense. It's an investment in your human capital that can boost your earning potential. Tip 4. Study and start with the basics. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Learn the basics about fixed income investment funds or stocks. Just a little knowledge gives you the confidence to take the first step. Remember, thinking like an investor isn't about how much money you have, it's about how you view it. It's about making your money work for you, focusing on assets, having a long-term vision, and most importantly, taking action. What's the first step you're going to take to change your mindset? Share in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next videos on finance and investing. See you next time.